welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last episode I showed you the house and the barn and everything, and talked about the plans that we are having for this place. So now I'm gonna start renovating the garage, and this is my own project. I got two kids running around here, so maybe they will join in the video very soon. Before we begin, I will start the intro to get this episode running. Intro! The first thing I will do to this space is just to clean everything out. I need to move everything to the gym or the room next door, so I get access to the floor. So yeah, I'm just gonna start a time lapse and start moving stuff. So hang with me. I cleaned out most of it, not everything, but I think this will be good enough. I can move around the room without bigger obstacles, so this is what I have to do, I think. So I will sweep up the floor a little bit more, because I don't think it has been cleaned since probably 10 years or so. And then I will go on to the stains in the ceiling to clean them off a little bit, and then paint with the sealant color that I talked about in the previous episode. And if you haven't seen that one where I talk about our new house, please check that video out. I think it will be in this corner. I will add the link to that video, so please take a look at that one. And it's pretty cool, where I talk about the house and do some drone shots over the farm and etc. Just gonna finish the sweeping, and then I'm gonna start cleaning the stains. Paint wash, or målartvätt in Swedish. We just clean the grease out and stuff before we begin. And as you can see here, it's some old grease. So just try it out and see what happens. It's good when I moved everything and still things where I'm gonna work. These stains were not so fresh. Ja, sen är det lite högt för dig, så det når inte. Det når inte riktigt hela vägen. Så. Det når inte. Ska jag lyfta upp dig lite? Tack gumman. Great posture to work at, right? It almost look more worse now, especially in these spots. These weren't affected at all. So I think I'll just go with the sealant color, paint that area, let it dry, see if it bleeds through the paint. So let's see from that. I only found a small tray, so I'll use just a small roller for this one. Otherwise, I think it's better with this big one and a bit bigger paint roller. But since it's not too big of an area, I won't paint the whole ceiling with this color. This is the sealant color that is gonna hopefully seal all the stains in the ceiling. So I'll just start on the inside and move out, and hopefully it will be good. So here we go. Sized stains, and I just started to cover those spots up with the cover paint. So I'm just about to start with a big area where all the black stuff was. So it actually looked pretty good with that sealant color. So I'm just gonna keep on going with that top layer of paint. So I'm gonna do another time lapse when I just move ahead and paint the floor with the top layer of paint. Day 2 of the garage renovation. So today I got an assistant, Enzo, behind the camera. I got Malin and Luva as well. So we also bought the green paint they're gonna have beneath the white paint on the walls. The girls are starting to paint the walls and I'm gonna continue paint the ceiling. What I didn't show you yesterday was that I actually removed all the lights from the ceiling. As you saw in the beginning, I had all the cables and all the fixtures still up in the ceiling, but I decided to remove them to get the best possible result. So I removed them, and on Wednesday, in 2 days, electrician is going to come here to install new lights, or just look at it so he can install them later on. So it's a bit dark in there today, get a good result anyway. But yeah, let's just jump in and continue with the painting. The second day that I've been painting, and now we have done the first layer of paint in the ceiling. I think it turned out really good. So I'll continue with the next layer in the next time lapse. Hopefully that will be the last one. Cut to the next time lapse. that is it for today. We have done the ceiling now and it looks awesome. So I'm just going to continue with the walls later on, but that will be in another episode. So for tonight I will do this. Take a beer. Remember, subscribe, click like, and put the notifications on by pressing the bell on the side there. And I see you in the next episode. See ya! Ciao ciao! So this is the new color for the bottom section of the walls. Woo! That's intense.